Hello, welcome back to the channel. The Nifty 50 has gone down by more than 10% from its all-time high, as well as the overall Indian market is in downtrend. I have talked about a lot in my channel about the ETF swing trading and how it benefits us for creating the monthly income. So this is actually a very good time to start buying more ETF rather than the stocks, in my opinion, because that helps us to average out some of our positions. And if you have not started the ETF shop, then it's the best time to start, because now, since the market is in downtrend, you will be getting a good NAV, net asset value, for your ETF. That is, you can buy the ETF in a very good price. I have created various Google Sheets for the same. So let me share my sheet and show you how my ETF shop is working. I will also share the link in the description of my sheet where I keep up-to-date information about the buying and selling. So let me go through my sheet where I am using the strategy where I have created the list of top ETF per asset, so that we will be buying the mix of ETFs. So it's not that I will be buying only the Nifty 50 or Nifty next Nifty next 50 or Nifty 100, Nifty 200. It's a mix of ETFs. So I'll be buying across industries, I'll be buying across ETFs, and I'll be buying in Indian market, US market, and China market. So we will be buying one ETF every day which has fallen the most from its 20 DMA. We will sell the ETF once it reaches above 3% target, but with profit trailing. We will also buy the ETF which has fallen by 3% if we don't have any new ETF to buy. For selling, we will be trailing the profit after 3%. So that means if I have attained a profit of 3%, but that ETF is going up day by day, so I'll not sell it until it start to go down. Okay, so this is the strategy is all about. I have just give a refresher before going into my ETF list. Okay, so this is the list of ETFs which I have. Okay, I'm just creating a top 20 ETF to buy based on the 20 DMA. So as you can see, Silver Bees has fallen the most, that is minus 7.33% based on its 20 DMA. Okay. Similarly, the next is MNC, which has fallen by minus 5.73. Now, see, as you can see, the MNC I have already in my list, so I will not be buying this. And say for example, since Silver Bees is not in my list, I will be buying it the next day. Okay, so let me go to the bought ETF. So this is my bought ETF. As you can see that okay, let me give you a let me go to the sold ETF first. Let me show you that I have started this ETF Ki Dukan or ETF shop from 17th August 2023. So that means it's been more than 15 months which I'm doing this. And so so this is not a new thing. I'm not doing it now. I have seen the sideways market which was in the 2023. I have seen the growth market which was in early 2024, and I'm also seeing the downtrend market which is in now, which is going on now. So I have seen almost the full cycle, but I will not say until unless we actually go down more and then go up. Okay, so this is the bought ETF. As you can see, I'm getting this profit and loss percentage. So let me go to one of them. Like 6th May 2024, I have bought this PSU Bank Bs. Okay, and the buy price is 80.33. Okay, the quantity is 43 and the investment amount is 3,454. The current market price is 72.8, and I am sitting at the loss of minus 9.37. Okay, and it has gone up yesterday because today is a holiday, so it has gone up yesterday by 0.1%. Okay, now this is the whole list. As you can see, I have bought on 21st June 2024, I have bought PSU Bank. Now this, as you might ask, that why are we buying two different, like why are we buying this PSU Bank Bs also and PSU Bank also? Because this change that I will be buying top ETF per asset, I have done recently. So prior to that, I was actually buying 2-3 types of ETF for every underlying asset. Now I have changed the strategy. I will be buying only one ETF per asset. So if it is a PSU bank, I will be buying only the PSU bank Bs and not the other, that I will not be buying the PSU bank or PSU bank ETF. But since it was there, so I have kept it like that, and I have not got the profit of that, so it is just lying in my account. So this is what I am actually continuing buying. If you are seeing that in October, in November, I am continuing buying. Yesterday itself I have bought gold because gold was not there in my account, so I have just bought for 61.97 and the current price is 61.77. It has gone down, so I'm continuing buying. I'm not stopping any buying. This is because, see, this is nothing but buying the dip. Okay, I will not be adding all the money at once since I'm buying the dip. So that means I'll continue buying one ETF per day, whether the market is going down, whether the market is going up, I will be buying it. Okay, now coming to the sold ETF, as I said, I've started on 17th August 2023 with ICICI Silver, and that time I have just bought for 2000 rupees. Okay, the investment amount was just 2000 rupees, but I have started investing more and more. As you can see, yesterday itself I have bought for 6940, and for one I have bought for 7229 also. So that's how I have started from 2000, and now I am buying per ETF for 6000 also. So this is how the sell sheet will look like. If you see, my profit percentage per ETF is around 6.44, 5.90. It has gone, like, if the market is going down, and even if it is giving me 4%, I'm selling it. So I'm keeping a target between 3 to 6%. 3% is what my target is. If my ETF is going up to 3%, I'll sell it. And if it is going above, it's fine because I'm anyway trailing the profit. Okay. So as you can see, I have also got 11.48% in some of the ETFs. I've got 12.75% also because I was trailing the profit that time. And recently, like 15.66%, which I have got for HDFC Silver. And I'll go down. See, Indian market is going down, but the US market has gone up, right? In the last 1 year, the US market has given us 5-6% returns. So that's why investing in Chinese market, Indian market, as well as US market is beneficial, because as you can see, on 12th, 13th and 14th, I got one sell. So as you can see, I have sold Mon 100, Mafang, Monq 50 with 4.92%, 16.15% and 6.42%. So even though Indian market has gone down by 10%, my selling is going on. That means I am continuing getting the monthly income. And if I show you the summary, so till now I have invested around 3,80,000. This is investment means 3,80,000. That is, I have put from my pocket around 3,10,000, 50,000 or 60,000 is from my amount which I have got, right? So profit and so if you see the sum of profit and loss amount, I have got till now 55,000. So that 55,000 is already added to my investment, investment from the pocket, and then I have got this 3,80,000. Okay, the monthly profit percentage is also looking good. See, in 2023 December, when the market was going up, I have got around 6.12%. Okay, and since it has gone down in November, I have got 0.50%. But as you can see, something or the other I am getting. July 2024 was a very good month where I have got around 10,000 profit. Okay, and if you see, the approx annualized is around 9.95%. This is for the total investment, 3,80,000. But you might have invested only 3 lakh from your pocket. So if I count the approx annualized from my pocket investment, it will be around 11 to 12% or more than that. So as you can see, so in 15 months, if I'm getting 12%, good enough. Because good enough, why? Because as of today, the market has gone down by 10%, right? The Nifty 50 has gone down by 10%. So regular profit booking is very necessary, and this ETF swing trading or ETF shop or ETF Ki Dukan, whatever you call it, is giving us an opportunity to book the profit every month or every day. So that's why I like this strategy very much, because it is giving me something back for my investment. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the video if you have liked it. Thank you.